Hello EBR, we're back for day 2 of Hurricane Preparedness Week. Today, we are going to share why your household needs a disaster supply kit, what to include, and the tools you need before an emergency strikes. Building a disaster supply kit will keep you Red Stick ready for any weather event or disaster. It should include essential items for everyone in your household, which is you, your children, extended family members, and pets. Assemble a disaster supply kit for your home and your vehicles to ensure you are prepared, no matter where you may be. Your disaster supply kit should include the following: a 3-day supply of non-perishable food and water for each member of your household and pets. Items like canned food and shelf-stable items are essential if your home loses power. You can never have too much water during hurricane season. Include a manual can opener in your disaster supply kit. This will come in handy for the non-perishable food items. Make sure to pack flashlights and extra batteries in case of power outages, which, as we know in South Louisiana, can sometimes last for weeks or even months. Pack a 3-day supply of medicine and first aid essentials. This includes having a plan for any refrigerated medications. Have money set aside for an emergency, including cash if you can. Power loss and signal outages may prevent credit and debit cards from working. Include chargers for all your devices. Have them handy in your home and your car. Make sure to include extra batteries. Keep physical and digital copies of important documents. Having multiple copies will prevent the permanent loss of important information. Make a plan, make a kit. Make sure your household is prepared for hurricane season. Visit redstickready.com to find out more ways you and your household can be Red Stick ready for hurricane season.